Monkey works. Banana comes in. Monkey stops working. Banana stops. This is active income. Trading time for bananas. Every monkey knows this feeling. But some monkeys have figured out a different way. Bananas arriving while monkey sleeps. While monkey eats. While monkey watches other monkeys on banana TV. This is passive income. Money arriving without monkey actively working for it. Sounds too good to be true. It is not. But it is also not as easy as internet makes it look. Active versus passive income. Active income requires monkey's presence. Monkey stops. Income stops. Simple equation. Passive income requires monkey's effort up front. Then income continues with little ongoing work. Keyword is upfront. Passive income is almost never passive at the beginning. It is very active at the beginning, then gradually becomes passive over time. Monkey who says passive income requires zero work is selling something. Usually a course about passive income. Dividends. Monkey buys shares in banana company. Banana company makes profit. Company shares profit with shareholders. Monkey receives payment just for owning the shares. This is called a dividend. Monkey did not work that day. Banana company worked. Monkey just owned a piece of it. To receive meaningful dividend income, monkey needs to own significant amount of shares. 1,000 leaves invested at 4% dividend yield pays monkey 40 leaves per year. Not life-changing, but it grows. Every year monkey reinvests those 40 leaves. Pile gets bigger. Dividends get bigger. Slowly. Over many years. Index funds and the 4% rule. Monkey invests in index fund. Fund grows 8% per year on average. After 20 years, monkey has significantly more than monkey put in. Monkey can then begin withdrawing small percentage each year, typically 3 to 4%, without depleting the principal. Fund continues growing. Monkey withdraws from growth. This is called the 4% rule. Monkey with 500,000 leaves invested can withdraw 20,000 leaves per year indefinitely, without touching original pile. This is the most reliable form of passive income available to regular monkey. Takes time to build. Works extremely well once built. Rental income. Monkey buys property. Rents it to other monkey. Rent arrives every month. Monkey does not work for that rent payment. Property works for monkey. This sounds simple. It is not simple. Monkey needs large amount of leaves up front for deposit. Mortgage payments. Maintenance costs. Difficult tenant monkeys. Empty months with no rent. Rental income can be excellent passive income, but requires significant capital and ongoing attention. Not truly passive. Mostly passive, with occasional, very stressful, not passive moments. Digital products. Monkey creates something once. Sells it many times. Ebook about bananas. Online course about investing. Music. Photography. Template. Each sale delivers leaves to monkey without monkey doing additional work. Monkey wrote the ebook once. Ebook sells while monkey sleeps. This scales. One product can sell to 1 monkey or 1 million monkeys for same effort. Downside is getting first sale is hard. Getting 1 million sales is very hard. Most digital products make modest income. Some make extraordinary income. Very few make nothing at all if made well and marketed properly. Royalties. Monkey writes book. Book gets published. Every copy sold earns monkey small percentage. Monkey wrote book once. Royalties arrive for years or decades afterward. Same with music. Same with patents. Same with licensed content. Royalty income is genuinely passive once asset is created. Creating the asset is the hard part. Takes skill. Takes time. Takes often years before income appears. But once established, royalties generate income long after monkey has moved on to other things. The truth about passive income. Internet makes passive income look easy. Post a video. Make millions. Start a blog. Make millions. Sell a course. Make millions. This is not accurate. Every successful passive income stream required significant active work to build first. YouTuber Monkey spent years creating content before income became passive. Blogger Monkey wrote hundreds of posts before earning meaningful income. Course creator Monkey spent months building and marketing before first sale. Passive income is a destination, not a starting point. Monkey should expect 1 to 3 years of active work before income becomes meaningfully passive. This is normal, not a failure. How to build passive income. Start with what monkey already has. If monkey has savings, invest them. Even small consistent investment builds toward dividend and growth income over time. If monkey has a skill, consider whether that skill can become a product. Teaching, writing, Design. Photography. Skill that exists in Monkey's head can become digital product that earns indefinitely. If Monkey has spare room, renting it generates immediate passive income with minimal upfront cost compared to buying property. Multiple small streams add up. Monkey does not need one massive passive income source. 3 or 4 modest streams create meaningful combined income. Starting small. Monkey does not need to quit job to build passive income. Monkey does not need large starting capital. Monkey needs consistency. 1 hour per week building a passive income stream. Every week. For 2 years. Is more valuable than one intense month than giving up. Most passive income streams compound. Small consistent effort grows into meaningful income over time. Monkey should pick one stream. Build it properly. Then add another. Trying to build 5 streams simultaneously usually means building 5 things badly instead of one thing well. What Monkey should know. Passive income is real. It is achievable for regular Monkey. It is not get rich quick. It is get richer slowly. Through patient, consistent effort applied to assets that generate returns over time. Monkey with dividend portfolio and one digital product and index fund growing quietly in background is not dramatically different from regular Monkey today. After 10 years, Monkey is very different from regular Monkey. The gap compounds quietly in Monkey's favor. For once, please subscribe.